How to color and keratin in the same session. Module 1. Deciding if your client is a fit for the keratin treatment and color session. Assess your client's hair history, lifestyle, and environment. Today's client is ideal because she has high porosity hair due to the natural structure of her curls and the bleaching that's taken place over the years. Once you've assessed that your candidate is a good fit between their lifestyle, humidity exposure, and frizz resistance, you're ready to go to the next step, prepping the hair for the treatment. Clarify the client's hair 3 times with the Lasio Hypersilk Clarifying Shampoo. Clients with virgin hair may require to be clarified up to 5 times. This is necessary to safely blast open the cuticle so that it may receive all of the keratin treatment formula benefits. The Lasio Hypersilk Clarifying Shampoo is relevant at this stage because it creates a protective coating for the scalp as well. Once you've completed this step, you're ready to move on to the next one. Module 2. Applying color. Performing color first allows you to lock the color in, make sure it absorbs effectively, while also not having an eroding effect at your client's keratin treatment. We always recommend to do the color first. By doing color first, then the keratin treatment, you allow yourself to achieve both in one session. There's no need to make any adjustments to how you lift or tone your client at this step. You may lift, tone, and do whatever is required to achieve the color that your client desires. Our deep repair treatments are ideal with color sessions because they help lock in the color, maintain the integrity of the follicle, while also having the added benefit of faster heat styling, thanks to the heat-activated nature of the Keratin Tropic treatment. Module 3. This is where people get confused because normally, wouldn't you have to clarify the client's hair 3 times again? No need to clarify 3 times. Wash your client's hair normally as you would after a color session. 1 wash with the Hypersilk shampoo and conditioner will do. The follicle is already in an open state and ready to receive the next step. Module 4. Applying the keratin. Today, we'll be using the Keratin Tropic. Here are some of the benefits attached. Pause to read. This is where it becomes your traditional keratin application. Blow dry your client to 100%. Section your client's hair into 3 to 5 quadrants, then begin applying at the nape of the neck. Spray in 1 inch to ½ inch subsections. Make sure that the hair is fully detangled and that you're able to penetrate each and every strand with the formula. Once the client is 100% saturated in the Keratin Tropic formula, blow dry to 100% bone dry. Do not proceed to the next step without making sure that the hair is dry to the touch. Once the hair is bone dry, you're ready to begin activating and sealing in the keratin treatment. A heat-proof comb and the Lasio ceramic plated flat iron is necessary for this process. Complete 7 passes on each section of the hair. 7 at the root, 7 at the midshaft, and 7 at the ends. Starting at the nape of the neck and moving your way upward throughout the hair in sections. This treatment has 0 processing time. You'll immediately see the frizz eliminating benefits while activating the keratin treatment and sealing it in. We have some recommendations, like performing the first initial wash in the salon, or recommending that the client wash their hair within 24 hours. Module 5. Aftercare instructions for your keratin and color-treated hair. These are the benefits to performing the first initial wash in the salon. Pay attention to these and take a screenshot. Performing the first initial wash in your salon will help you avoid redos and will let you know if the keratin treatment took to your client's hair. The other benefit is allowing your client to style their hair however they want immediately after receiving the treatment. But you must perform the first initial wash always first. Visit the official pro side of the Lasio Inc. website to find printable versions of our do's and don't cards. They provide expectations for yourself and your client, like how long they can expect results, up to 3 months if it's the Keratin Tropic. You'll also find information about what ingredients to avoid if you want to make your keratin treatment reach its full potential, like avoiding shampoos with sodium chloride. This is easily avoidable by using the Hypersilk replenishing set or the color-treated shampoo set. If your client finds themselves in a position to where they need to clarify their hair, they may safely use the Lasio Clarifying Shampoo, which is available in 2-ounce bottles on our official website. For additional do's and don'ts, we recommend that clients be wary of swimming, well water, and heavy oils. The natural salts and oils found in our body may also prematurely erode away at your keratin treatment at the root. This is due to sweat production, which is normal and unavoidable. We recommend that you watch out for oils like castor. Try to avoid large bodies of water, like ones heavy in minerals or chlorine. If you're about to enter one, you may use either of our hair masks to protect your keratin treatment. Our entire aftercare line reintroduces our unique keratin formula back into your hair. Our entire hair care line, however, is ideal for preserving your Lasio keratin treatment. Congratulations! You've completed all 5 modules of coloring and keratin treating your client's hair in one session. For in-depth tutorials on how to use our products on all hair types, go to our official website, lasioinc.com. When you create a Lasio Pro account, you get access to all of our educational resources for salon pros. Thanks for watching.